Outstanding design defines the 2013 Ford Focus. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback stands out among competitors in its class. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include cruise control, one-touch window functionality, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.